Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create shapes on Adobe Illustrator CC. It's super simple. You can select this rectangle and you can either create a rectangle like this or a square by pressing shift on your keyboard. If you want rounded edges, just make the rectangle or square first, and then you'll see here there's like this circle and you can basically make it have rounded edges. If you just want one, you're just going to select one edge of the square and do that. You can also do it with circles here like that, or if you want an oval like this. And then you can also use the polygon tool. If you want a triangle, just select it, make it 3 sides, and then you have a triangle here. You also have a star tool over here, and you can even make shapes out of the shapes you already have. So for instance, the polygon tool, I'm just going to change it again to 6 sides. That's 5. Then you're going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat. You can either create this like really cool star shape or a flower. I'll copy and paste it so you guys can see. Oh, okay, I think I need to make it into like a hexagon first. And that works for other shapes as well, like maybe the circle one. So if you go to Effects, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat, you can create like the star shape. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!